Hello everyone, I'm back again today with another video. This time it is about the advanced Make.N Art seminar I took at Zillabeau. So this is what the class kit came with. It's a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna film a separate video to show what I picked up from the Expo and everything I got in the kit. It was a lot of stuff. It's different than last year's. Please watch last year's video, I will link it. And the first thing we were learning were like 3D little Sanrio characters. I've always wanted to learn how to do these little guys, and it was actually not as hard as I thought it would be. I just need to make them a little fatter. The teacher, she came around, she looked at everyone's, she told me I need to make mine a little bit fatter, and I will work on that. We only had time to make 2, so I did those guys over there. And these are some examples of the type of art you can do. This is what the teacher, she did. She's so talented. More of her work on display. I actually walked in the room that morning and she and her husband recognized me from last year's class, which was so nice. I was really shocked that she remembered me. Look at how pretty the parts nail art is. It's like almost like jewelry. After learning how to do the 3D little characters, we were able to have lunch and shop a little bit in the Expo, and they had all of these different nail designs from nail parts artists from around the world. It was really cool. Mostly Korea, I think. I was just in so much awe of everything. It honestly felt like an art exhibit. They had a huge wall of stickers and charms. It was really cool. Never seen this many nail charms in one place. It was awesome. I was kind of in heaven and I just didn't know where to look. If you've never been to Zillabeau, you can shop in store. They have a really good selection of Korean and Japanese gel brands. You guys can use my code YouGotNails10 for 10% off at checkout. I kind of want this collection with all the glitters. I really just like looking at all the collections and the color swatches and the glitters. Not even to buy, just to look. It's honestly so much fun. Definitely recommend coming in person if you live in the area. And I also recommend taking a class at Zillabeau if you can, because they have the instructors most of the time fly out from wherever they're from. That's the pizza I ate. It was so good. And the teacher brought us little snacks from Korea, and that was so yummy. I don't even know what it was, but it was delicious. That's my haul, little sneak peek of everything I got. And then this second part of the class, we're learning how to do parts art. That's the teacher, she's awesome. Look at her nails, by the way. We were learning how to do extensions. It's kind of similar to a Gel X method. This is the Make.N's own brand of soft gel tips. She also makes this look so easy. And that's me doing the gel extension on myself. I cannot imagine wearing nails this length anymore. I used to once upon a time, but now that I work on clients, it's so much easier to have them short. Also, I'm using this zombie gel that I got from Sweetie's Nail Supply. I really like it. I really need to pick up more. I got that at the Nail Expo or Beauty Expo that I went to in the city. All the polishes I got and everything will be also included in my second part of this video, where it's going to be a huge haul. So if you like those types of videos, you can subscribe to my channel so you know when that video is going to drop. My nails are in rough shape, don't judge me. A little sample of all the information. We got a huge packet of stuff. I was deciding, should I do my own hand or should I do tips, and I'm able to keep them, but I wanted to practice doing it on my hands. You can see that I don't put it all the way to the cuticle, you kind of backfill it, which I prefer that method, and that's the final look. It's so pretty. That's the type of art we learned today. I was so excited to do this for a second time, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, this little vlog of my time at the Make.N Advanced Nail Art class. Thanks for watching. Bye!